Zua Organic Farms is into organic cultivation of herbs. Today, we are going to share with you our experience in the cultivation of Moringa. The very first step is the preparation of the land, where we recommend that we plow the land 3 to 5 times and then add 5 to 10 tons of composted farmyard manure. And this is a very important step. We also recommend that we do drip irrigation because we are looking at having 10 to 20,000 plants per acre. And the recommended distance between the two laterals is somewhere between 3 to 4 feet. And once the drip irrigation is done, we will do the cultivation. The distance between two plants that is recommended is about 40 centimeters to 50 centimeters. And as a part of this, we recommend that care is taken in the spacing in order to achieve the density we are looking at. After the plantation is done, we will water the plant, and in 7 days' time, the first sprout will come out. Then we'll have to wait for another 7 more days before all the seeds that are sown in the land is sprouted. And 14 days is a critical and important part. In case you see that some of the seeds have not really sprouted, we would recommend that you resow them at this point of time. When you are approaching 20 to 25 days, depending on the weeds in your region, we recommend that you do a first weeding. And then in about 30 to 40 days, there may be a necessity to do the second weeding. And as the plant approaches 50 days, it would be about 3 to 3.5 feet in height. And at this point, some of them may recommend you to do pruning. But from our experience, we feel it may be an additional work. We do not recommend pruning. But in about 80 to 85 days, the plant would have reached 7 to 9 feet in height, and the plant is almost ready for harvest. In another 5 6 days, that I mean is 90 to 100 days, the plant is ready for harvest. We recommend that you start the harvest on one side of the farm, and you would cut the plant to the height of 2.5 to 3 feet as you harvest it. The leaves, once harvested, can be dried either in under the sun or under the solar dryer or under shade drying. This is how the farm will look after the harvest. But once the harvest is complete, in another 6 to 7 days, once you start manuring and you start watering, 5 to 6 branches will come from every tree. Look at the picture, and it is evident how the plant will come again. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time in the next video. Thank you. If you have any doubts, write to us in the comment section below. We will get back to you.